TechGDPR Case Study: Protecting Religious Data with GDPR and LGPD Compliance. This case study explores how we helped a UK-based technology company bring its global worship and mindfulness app into full GDPR and LGPD compliance. The company offers daily devotionals, podcasts, and guided meditation to users around the world. With this growth, the app began handling highly sensitive data related to religious beliefs and mental health. And because the team operates across the UK, the US, Brazil, and Romania, they faced complex international data transfers requiring strict legal safeguards. They knew they needed clarity, structure, and a stronger foundation of trust for their global audience. That's where TechGDPR stepped in. We began with a GDPR discovery workshop to understand how data flowed within the organization and between its international teams. From there, we developed a full data map, identifying every processing activity, every transfer, and the legal basis behind each one. This became the cornerstone for all ongoing compliance work. Next, we produced a detailed data protection assessment report, defining responsibilities across the UK and US entities, outlining GDPR and LGPD requirements, and evaluating existing risks. Based on this, we created a tailored compliance roadmap, prioritizing the steps needed to strengthen transparency, user consent, retention policies, and security measures. To ensure long-term compliance, the company appointed TechGDPR as its data protection officer. The results were significant. The company gained full clarity over data protection roles, improved procedures for handling breaches and user rights requests, and built a stronger environment of trust and safety for its global users. The client now operates with confidence, transparency, and a robust compliance framework across multiple jurisdictions. We're here to help you build a safer, trusted, and privacy-first environment. Reach out today to find out how we can help your organization as well.